Hello crafties, welcome to another tutorial. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a chainless double crochet foundation. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Starting off with a slip knot, we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to zoom in. Lord knows. Okay. Then we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into that first chain we made. We're going to yarn over and pull up a loop like so. We're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through that first loop. And that creates a chain for us to go off of later. Then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Completing our second double crochet. Then to move on, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the base of that chain we made from that last stitch. We're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. Let's focus that. And we're going to yarn over, pull through that one loop, and then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So something important, you want to make sure that you watch your tension as you're doing those little chain ones at the base of your double crochets, and that will ensure that you don't have that weird little tension arch that you tend to get on your stitches. So I'm just going to keep doing that all the way, or for as long as I need. You would do that for the width of your project. So like if you're doing a blanket, you know, you can do this. And what it does, it creates a nice uniform edge for your project, and you don't necessarily have to do a border unless you want to. I know that's a thing for me, is sometimes you just don't want to border a project. Alright guys, so here I've done a few more, and like I said, you just do these for the width of your project. It's super easy and it gives you a nice finished edge. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you all. If so, go ahead, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below letting me know how I did or what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content like this. I upload crochet videos every Sunday at 9:30 CST. Don't forget to also check out my other social media pages. I'm on everything, I think, except for Snapchat. So, you know, feel free to check a girl out. And until next time, guys, happy making.